QCOM stock analysis and price predictions for Qualcomm. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately, I'm the only person in the stock trading space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And when I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. Bro, it's all on my YouTube channel with all the proof. Especially here with Qualcomm. I called out this exact idea, tickled my top, and then came down hard. This actually... Well, yeah, it depends. Now, in order for me to buy, the price must give me this shit here happening, right? If it does not happen, and this red part doesn't exactly happen, then this can be just a speculation, right? I'm not just going to immediately assume that things are going to take for the better turn. Boom. That's how it's going to look like for me, because technically this is a demand zone. This is a demand zone on its own. So, QCOM, I got previous receipts here in the Discord with about, seems like 3 results. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.